Good day, Allison, Havill, Todd with AHT Interiors here. I hope all is well with you. I want to address something that I hear a lot from either prospective clients or people that have worked with an interior designer or decorator before. There's often a large fear factor and sometimes some unpleasant experiences that have left a bad taste in their mouth. And I'd like to address some of the things that I think you can do in the very early stages that should make this a very positive and wonderful experience for you and help you to get the outcome that you're looking for. It pains me to hear some of these stories because I know in working with my clients how really enjoyable it should be, how fun it should be, and how the client really should be experiencing a wonderful time and a wonderful result. So there's 6 steps that I've outlined that I think should help get your decorating project off to a really good start. The first step is to do your homework. Check out the person that you're looking to hire. Just because somebody has a degree in interior design doesn't mean that they have experience or the resources or the business acumen to really do a good job for you. Some things that you can do is look at their website for a good start, but there are 3 important things that I suggest everybody asks for any professional that they're looking to have work with them in their home. One is make sure that they have a current business license. The second one is make sure that they have liability insurance, whether that's a painter or a landscape designer or an interior decorator. And the third, and one of the very most important and often overlooked things, is make sure that you have a letter of agreement or a contract in writing so that everybody's clear from the very start on who's doing what, how much it's going to cost, and how long it's going to take. By following that simple step alone, you will overcome almost every obstacle that could possibly come your way. Point 2 is to check for references on the person that you're looking to hire. You can look on personal websites, you can look on business directories such as Google, Yelp. You can ask for references. I always provide my prospective clients with a list of recent projects and clients we've worked with and invite them to call these people because those people were standing in their shoes at one point in time too and were often afraid and unsure of what to expect. So I think it's great for a prospective client to hear it from someone else as well. Number 3 is to look for a professionally done website. I do see a lot of websites out there. I think anybody who's serious and in business should be having a professional website with professional photography. This shouldn't be, quick little do-it-yourself snapshots. That's an investment that somebody makes in their business and their industry, and it's a reflection on their professionalism and how they're going to run their business. You may also want to look for some social media page presences on Facebook, LinkedIn, and other sites like that. Somebody that's engaging in those sites. What type of content are they sharing? What type of images are they showing? What styles are they talking about? Are they staying current in their profession? Do they know what's going on out there? That's another important thing to do, and you can find a lot out by looking at somebody's website alone. One of the very most important things is to establish very good, clear communication in the beginning. I touched upon having a written letter of agreement. I feel very strongly about that. I think if we get very good input in the beginning from the client and do our job of listening and discussing the vision and the goals and expected costs and fees and timeline, all of that should be discussed at the very start of a project, not halfway through it, and certainly nobody should ever receive an unexpected invoice or bill at the end. Number 5 is to be realistic about the budget. If it has been several years since you have purchased furnishings for your home, then you might want to educate yourself on what's out there. Look at some good moderately price point lines, and I do mean moderately price point lines, not the made for the masses and sold to the masses pieces that people are most familiar with, but look at some good quality pieces and get a feel for what pricing is like out there. Your designer should be able to guide the scope of your project in a direction that fits your budget, but you do need to be realistic about what things cost in today's market. And lastly, and probably one of the other most important things, of course all of these things are important, is to let go. Have fun. You've hired this person, you've decided to place your trust and confidence in this person. You need to allow them to do what it is that they do best. This is where you will have the most wonderful experience and the most wonderful outcome. Have fun with this. This shouldn't be a struggle. The whole idea of enlisting a professional is to take that burden off your back and let somebody else guide the way. Don't turn your decorator into your personal shopper. Be open-minded to the suggestions that they make, as long as they're taking your tastes and preferences in mind. If you'd like to read a little bit more about any of this, you can visit our website. It's posted below. and we welcome any input that you have. I hope this has helped you. I hope you have wonderful success in any of your interior decorating projects, whether you're working with us or someone else. These 6 steps should really keep you on course. Thank you very much, Allison, Havill, Todd.